You're freaky? You know I'm single. I have no girlfriend. Put wine in your bottom? Me not do them something. You're mad? That's nasty.
Babe, who you on the phone with?
May I talk to Jesus? The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want.
Yeah, so we are going to chase some.
Who you on the phone with?
Hello? Yeah, Masuko.
Wait, where you going?
No, yeah?
Let me see your phone.
It's my phone, not yours.
Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
Yeah, man, I buy strawberry them from yesterday, man. Rascal whipped cream there.
Babe.
Can I come over? Yeah. But they want me cook. I cook soup.
Babe, who you talking to?
Nobody?
Yeah, there, man. Yeah,
Who you on the phone with?
Wait, say, mommy. Yeah. It there, but just buy flour.
Masuko.
Who? Give me.
Hey, can you come link me tomorrow, you know, because she not go there tomorrow, you know, so you can come link me.
Who you on the phone with? Give me your phone.
No.
Give me your phone.
No.
Where you going?
No.
Let me see your phone.
No. Babes, ready? Come, let's go.
Babe, I can't find my phone. Let me borrow your phone to call my mother.
No. I want my phone. Yeah, bill. No.
Yeah, man, me soon left her, you know. Yeah, are you me I go there with? Yeah.
Wait, where you going?
Yeah, your pum pum what?
Who you on the fucking phone with?
Me can't have a shit in peace. I do me, I do. Sure.
Make a scream till a neighbor them call the feds. Say pussy wet is like a fucking in a water bed. Me say yeah, baby girl me want a head. She said damn your cocky bigger than half a bread. She said damn that you want, yes that you need. When she see the henny with the grab on the weed, she said we could get it cracking like a sunflower seed. She swallow everything, yeah that take all greed.